Now our final entry for this assignment is rent expense for January adjusted from advanced rent account for an amount of 5,000 rupees. This is of 31st January 2020. Now if you remember, we have booked a prepayment in the starting of the assignment. We have paid all the rent for 6 months in advance at 5,000 per month. So this makes the total to 30,000, which we have already paid in cash on 4th of January. Now on 31st January, it says that rent expense for January adjusted from advanced rent account. That means this is the month where you have consumed the benefit for 1 month of the premises. So that's why only 1 month portion should be converted to expense from the asset. Before it was prepayment, now prepayment will be shifted to expense for that particular month only. If you don't know how to deal with prepayments, you can just Google it, how to deal with prepaid expenses in accounting. So you will get to know about what I'm trying to say. So anyways, rent expense will be debit and advance rent account will be credit. Now this is an adjustment entry, that's why we will use journal entry for it. I'll go to company and click on journal entry. Now mention any reference number you want. Let's say R001. Now I'll debit rent expense. Let's see if we already have this in our list. No, we don't exactly have rent expense, but we can create one. 8235, let's say 8235, 8235, and this is rent expense, and this will be under expenses. Save and close. 8 rent expense 8235. Now I'll copy this description and paste it here, and 5,000 portion should be adjusted, so 5,000, and credit is cash. No, credit is actually prepaid expenses because we have already paid cash, right? So now you need to adjust against prepaid expenses. So 5,000 is credit and save. So this is how we deal with unwinding of prepayments in PeachTree.